Okay, so looking at the seats, these are the S4 Recaros, but most seats by Audi all use the same or a very similar system. Basically, you've got this this little cutout panel. Obviously, we haven't got the seat belt attached. I'm doing this because it's easier to show you this way. So I'll remove this, show you what the fixing looks like on the inside of the seat, so you can see it clearly, because you can't see it when you've got the belt attached to it. And then I'll show you the other end, the actual seat belt, and you'll probably get a slightly better understanding of how to split the two off. So all we do with this panel is just lift up, and that panel slides off. And then the key to it, what holds the seat belt in place, is this little metal circular lug. Hopefully you can see that down there. And so bear that in mind. That's what holds the seat belt on. Bear that in mind, and we'll take a quick look at the other end of the actual seat belt itself. Okay, so we're going to look at the end of the seat belt that actually attaches to the front seat itself. Now, what you saw on the front seat is kind of similar to this. Obviously, I'm just using this bolt as an illustration. You've got a large circle on a pin. And what that does in relation to the seat itself, it fits into the centre like that, and it slides down inside. And this is a little bit too thick to slide down inside, but if you imagine, that goes in and slides down. And once it's down, this little centrepiece right here, this snaps into place and stops the head of the bolt or circle being able to move back up. Okay, so that's the basics of it. So what you'll be wanting to do is you'll be working from this side. That's what you'll see when you're looking down. Is you're going to want to put a nice long head screwdriver into it, and if you get a little bit of leverage on it, you can move that center pin out. What you want to do is move that center pin out and also push it down. So rest the head of the screwdriver, against that from the inside, bend it, push it down, and then once you've pushed that in enough, slide down. The head of the little circular fixing will slide past that bolt as you bend it out into the middle, and then you can just lift the whole thing off like so.